Okay, so here we go. First off, I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch this video there, Debbie. Again, my name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video is to show you how to increase the value of your company or get some more exposure on Google. There's a couple factors that are involved with that to rank your business, and I wanted to go over that. There are content, backlinks, and citations. So first of all, I'll cover the basics. Um, every time you type something here into the Google search bar, these are considered keywords, and Google uses those words to find websites that best fit for the search. This is called search engine optimization, SEO. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to keywords or the phrase that gets typed in here, and then categorizes those websites based on their content. This is how you establish rank. Now you want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site depending on your competition and the number of keywords that are needed. So because we're in construction, I typed in construction company Fayetteville and this is what came up. Of course, this is the map area or the map pack. The rank structure here is based on your Google business profile and the area of location that you want to serve. Um, this plays a major factor for local traffic. It creates a lot of leads, and those become sales, better business. Most people don't go past the first page of Google, honestly. Also, another ranking factor here is citations. Citations are anything that is name, address, and phone number connected to your business profile, and Google uses that to also, create rank for that. Citations include directories like Yellow Pages, Better Business Bureau, Angie, Yelp, things of those natures. Underneath the map is where the organic rank structure starts to take place. So your content and your backlinks really come into play here. Aside from Yelp or Angie, those are just advertisements, house is advertisement. So here, right here on the first page, we see Southeastern Home Builders. Believe right here, they're also general contractor. They're also right here in the map and they're on the first page. So this would be their website. And I wanted to show you what I have. I have a tool here that shows me what's going on behind closed doors within a website and why they're ranking. Now, I did mention backlinks are a major ranking factor or contributor. Now, consider not all backlinks are created equal. With that being said, a backlink is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another. Google uses that to build trust. It creates popularity. It's just a big popularity contest going on here. I did say not all backlinks are created equal, so not necessarily a landscaping company referring back to you, but more along the lines of another construction company referring back to you. That'll carry more weight and more power behind it. There's 47 domains connected to him from those backlinks. And then we're starting to get into the content and the keywords. For the 68 keywords that he has in the site, he's generating 69 views of traffic per month. So to give you an idea a little bit here, this would be the search volume per month that particular words get typed into Google. So for example, general contractors, Fayetteville, 350. General contractor, Fayetteville, 300. Contractors, Fayetteville, 250. Home builders in Fayetteville, 450. So you understand collectively when all of this adds up, that generates a ton of exposure to your site based on what people are looking for services. That plays a major role in how you're recognized. Now, also, he has 355 backlinks. You can have those and more. 68 keywords. He has 68 keywords. You can have those keywords and more and bring in more traffic. Another company, just for a second example here, is MS Square. So I have their website here. I also plugged them into the same tool. Now, for example, they have 13 backlinks, 31 keywords, bringing 33 traffic. So it would be really easy to outrank this particular site. He has 31. I don't know, plug in 75. He's got 13 backlinks. Go for 30 or 40, and you would quickly move up right below the other competitor. So it's important to understand when all these things come together and how important a well-built website is. You can you can have a website built and you can wonder, I'm not generating any traffic. I don't see the leads picking up. We're not getting any volume. I wonder what's going on. A lot of companies can build a website, but some of them will fall short when it comes to the content and the SEO or the keywords. And it's important to understand how all these things factor together and how they work. Once you start getting recognized and endorsed by others, and Google starts to see your citations and your Google business profile, and all this comes together, you quickly start to you start to outrank and look more of an authority to the services that you're offering with your business. And it plays a huge part in the value and how you get exposed and how people find you. So with that being said, I wanted to pass this on. Hopefully you have a better understanding of why people are on the first page or how companies get there. Like I said, it's kind of like having a business card on a desert island. Without the right content, you just won't be seen. So it's really truly important to have a really well built site. So if you were to have any questions or concerns, I'd be more than happy to speak with you. Again, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I hope it was helpful, and have a nice night.